Okay, this is a talking clock.
Voice trigger mode is enabled.
Hello, Moshi.
Welcome. Command, please.
Set alarm time.
To choose an alarm sound, say Alarm 1, Alarm 2, or Alarm 3.
Alarm 3. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm time.
To set the alarm, just say the
No.
time you want the alarm to sound.
No, that's not
For
right.
example,
Yes, it is right.
6:15
Oh,
a.m.
never mind.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 11 o'clock a.m.
That is not right.
Hello, Moshi.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm time.
To choose an alarm sound, say
Don't say time,
Alarm
just say
1,
set alarm. You're not commanding
Alarm
right.
2, or Alarm
Set alarm.
3.
Alarm 3.
Say it again.
Set alarm 3.
Hello, Moshi.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 9 o'clock a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set time.
Tell me the current time.
11:12.
I don't... What?
11:13.
It's 11:13.
The time is now set to 12:12 a.m.
You are incorrect. Hello, Moshi. Hello, Moshi. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set time.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
Cancel.
To set the alarm, just say the
turned
time you
red.
want the alarm to sound. For
9
example,
a.m.
6:15 a.m. Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 5 o'clock a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 1 o'clock a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
9 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 9 o'clock a.m.
Good job,
What time is
Moshi.
it?
I don't know. 11:14-ish. Just say 11:14.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set time.
Tell me the current time.
11:14
p.m.
p.m.
The time is now set to 11:14 p.m.
That's all we need to do
Hello,
with
Moshi.
Moshi. Oh,
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
I love you.
The alarm is set to 9 o'clock a.m. The alarm is on.
Awesome. Thank you, Moshi.